Abang daw Diyos sumasayo. Bukod kang pinagpala sa babae na
Saint Peter to. Saint Jude. Saint Andrew. Saint Philip. Santiago Apostol. Saint Bartolome. Saint Thomas. Saint Matthew. Saint Matthias. The wedding of Cana. Mary Magdalene. Jesus enters to Jerusalem. Jesus before Sanhedrin or Pilate. Scourging at the pillar. Santo Cristo Damayado. Dismayado pala. Jesus acceptance the cross and the black Nazarene. Jesus fall. Jesus meets his mother. The Veronica wipes the face of Jesus. There's a traffic here, and there's Saint Veronica. Jesus is on the cross. Jesus is taken down from the cross. San Lazaro de Betania. Oh, San Lazaro de Betania. Sorry. San Marta. Santa Maria de Bettina. Betania pala, sorry. What's this? Santa Maria de Juan y Marcos. San Juana de Cruz. Santa Maria Salome. Santa Maria asawa ni Cleopa. Santa Maria Magdalena. Saint John Evangelist and Apostle. Mater Dolorosa. I think is Jesus is dead, but it's laid in the tomb. Traffic. Grabe, traffic. There's the kids. They're sitting. They're staying. They're watching us. At tayo. Hello. It's my mother. It's my queen ate. Yeah. Okay.